Hey guys, you know, weight training's been a great passion of mine since I was a little boy. You know, it's kind of home away from home. There's another passion I want to share with you today. It's a campaign. It's called Givebackamericaweek, and I want it to happen this year. But we can't do it without the support of all the people in our country. You know, you turn on the news, all you see is negative. Everybody's divided, everybody's in their corner. And I believe this is the one thing that can start to bring us back together again, you know, as a country. You know, it's the small things that you do for someone that have the greatest impact. Imagine this. Imagine if 1 million people touched one person's life, 2 million are changed. And the thing about it, it can be small things. It can be helping a person help jump their car off if their battery's dead. It can be taking a grocery cart for someone that's got a car full of kids, and you take their cart so they don't have to leave their kids in the car. It can be just words of encouragement. Everybody is qualified, and the great thing about it, it doesn't have to cost a dime. Are you going to be inconvenienced? Yes, sometimes you may be, but the way you're going to feel after you've given of yourself to that person is just incredible, and you're going to want more of it. I want you guys to join me in this great endeavor. Go to my website, Givebackamericaweek.com. It's just a pre-website. It's an idea that came to me more than 3 weeks ago. It was heavy on my heart, and would love you guys to be a part of it. So you got to go check it out. It's really cool.